Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Shisha Creative. Today, I'm going to take you through one of the most amazing natural roller coaster ride. I hope you will like it.
A drive through the ghats to reach Yercaud. Yercaud is a hill station situated at an altitude of 4,790 feet that is connected by Ghat Road from Salem's Steel City. Ghat roads are access routes into mountain ranges, and the Yercaud Ghat Road was developed during the British rule for residents to avoid summer heat. The drive is like a roller coaster ride which includes 20 sharp hairpin bends along 25 kilometers. Caution and patience is a must for tourists to enjoy the drive as it takes you into a different world of lush green forest and plantations. This small hill town, which is beautifully nestled amidst Shevaroy hills in Tamil Nadu, is considered as one of the prime jewels of the south. The entire region is enveloped by dark and thick forests and is popular for its orange groves, coffee and spice plantations. Coffee blossoms bloom and offer a captivating view of this scenic town. During the summer months of May and June, the temperature of Yercaud ranges from 16 degree to 30 degree, and it is very pleasant to roam about the hill station. A pair of light woolens is handy while traveling around Yercaud in these months. Talking about hill stations, the most attractive feature which comes to anyone's mind is the scenery. Yercaud is one such place which offers panoramic views throughout the place. As you go higher in altitude, the climate gets so chill and the experience of fresh air on your face leaves us speechless. And the scenic beauty was spectacular. The verdant greenery of the hills keeps you mesmerized throughout the journey. Once you reach the small town, don't miss out on the popular viewpoints like the Pagoda Point, Ladies Seat, Arthur's Seat, and the Tipperary Viewpoint. The view of the Emerald Lake, Yercaud Town, and Shevaroy's Peak is especially enchanting besides being known for their unique names and their historical significance. These places are ideal destinations for photography and nature lovers. Plan to see the sunrise or sunset or both from these lofty posts. I hope you are really enjoying this virtual tour. Our next tour is in the coffee plantation. Don't miss it.
you enjoyed the ride. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the videos. Bye bye.